Girls, today we are going to review our gridded response for the week for March 29th through April the 2nd. You can do this anytime this week. Make sure that you answer all of your questions. And as a reminder, there are no commas here in your answer. And you do not put a mixed number like 2 and 1/2. You have to make those improper. Like 2 and 1/2 would be 5/2. I have to see your work. You need to show me your work on this paper, on the back of this paper, or if you want to have another sheet of paper, that's fine. But you should have plenty of room on this one to work it out. I have to see your work, and you need to fill in the grids to get credit. This is a gridded response, so it has to be put in the grids correctly. That's how I know that you're getting it right. So if we look at the first one, it says Stacy stayed at the ball game for 1 2/3 hours. How many minutes was she there? So let's think about what 1 2/3 hours means. Remember, a fraction is a division problem. So if she was there for 2/3 of an hour, we know we took that hour and divided it into 3 parts, and she had 2 of those parts. And don't forget to add that to already she was there 1 whole hour and 2/3. So how many minutes would that be? Number 2, you are adding the fractions. 2 1/3 plus 4 2/5. Remember what we do when we add fractions? These are mixed numbers. Make sure yours is improper whenever you put the answer in. Number 3 says Charlie bought 96 pieces of candy that cost 35 cents each. How much money did he spend? So every piece of candy costs 35 cents. So think about how much he would have had to spend. And the last one, what is the area of a figure with a length of 1 7/8 and a width of 3 1/3? Remember area, length times width. And remember what we do when we multiply those mixed numbers. Do your very best on this. Make sure you put your name on it and turn it in.